She like I'm in.
That boy on the beat, so got it.
Okay. Sometimes you need a friend, not the ones that just show up and don't put nothing in. You know the ones that lend their hand and want to see you win. When you come up on that league, make sure you cut them in. And then, sometimes you need a fool, one to keep your eyes open, keep you on your toes. You know the ones that want to keep you where you've been before. But I can't go, no I can't go. And with over 42, the majority votes, it goes to Cheeky.
You know you kinda cute with the ball head. Got a little booty in the ball mains. You know how to move with them long legs. Bring a little crew, we can all rage on. That's the rap smooth than the PCH. I think that I like it with the makeup on. I know that she used to all the cheapskates, but I just want the ball show off, show off. I ain't even put my jewels on. I ain't even played my latest song. I ain't even put my jewels on.
It's got me hot. Well, that's exactly what the nigga came for. You throwing shots from afar, I'ma meet you at your front door. So hard to be doing what you really meant for, beauty. Don't I make it look easy? Don't I make it look good? Hey, now you drink up all my liquor. Come on, what I'm supposed to do now? And you talking all that shit. Now come on, you gon' have to back it up. You gon' have to back it up. Get too high now, sugar. Come on, I might never come down. I might never come down. Might never come down. Understand why?
As I'm with this Machiavelli in my salads and Kelly in my crib is Mediterranean. Girl, as I'm with this Mr. Grammy, put my hand me in the panties, go and hand me in the Levy skirt. What's the topic of discussion? I be flying to the nookie in my hoodie. 7 figures like your digits, we can travel off your pivot, drop a Sandies from your Civics. Let's go.